Productions Lab. It's my talent, and I want to thank God for the gratefulness He has done upon my life. Because it doesn't matter the life I lived before, and it doesn't matter the situation I'm in now. It may not seem to be easy, but I will keep struggling because that your God I have God. There are many times I pass a lot because of this talent. Many people say a lot about what I do for my living, but let me trust my God is the living one. Because there are times I come, I cry a lot. For me to rise and shine, for me to rise and make it in life, I should say, God, remember me. My mission is not His, but remember me.